In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate video from photos in Filmora AI. If you've ever wished a single photo could come to life as a dynamic video, Filmora's AI tools make that process quick and surprisingly intuitive. I'll walk you through each click and share tips so you get the best possible results the very first time. Start by opening Filmora on your computer. When the app launches, create a new project so you're working on a fresh timeline. This keeps everything organized and ensures your AI-generated clip lands neatly in one place without affecting other work. Next, look toward the top area of the interface and click on Stock Media. Inside this section, you'll find an option labeled AI Media. This is where Filmora has grouped its smart creation tools. Click on AI Media, then select Image to Video. This feature tells Filmora you want to transform a still image into a moving scene using AI-driven motion, style, and effects. Now it's time to bring in your photo. Upload an image that clearly represents the subject you want to animate. High-quality, well-lit photos with a clear subject usually produce more convincing movement. After uploading, you'll be asked to describe the video content. Think of this description as directing the AI. Be specific about the mood, the motion, and the setting. For example, you might mention a gentle camera pan, a dramatic cinematic look, or a dreamy, slow-motion feel. Include details like atmosphere, time of day, and any stylistic cues you want because the AI uses these to guide the final result. If you're unsure what to write, you can also use the AI to generate a prompt. This built-in helper suggests descriptive phrases you can accept as is or tweak to better match your creative intent. It's a great way to spark ideas or refine your direction without starting from scratch. Before you generate, choose a video resolution and adjust the video duration. Match the resolution to where you'll share the clip, such as vertical for mobile or standard widescreen for desktop viewing. For duration, think about pacing. Shorter lengths feel punchy and work well for quick posts, while slightly longer durations allow for more gradual camera movement and a cinematic vibe. Once everything looks good, go ahead and generate the video. Filmora will process your image and instructions, then create a motion-enhanced clip from your photo. When it's done, you'll have a polished AI-crafted video ready for use in your project or as a standalone piece.